The Redmi K60E is the most affordable model in the Redmi K60 family. It was launched alongside the Redmi K60 and the K60 Pro in December. Back in March, the smartphone was heavily discounted for the first time. Now, 5 months later, it is offered at an even more affordable price. The 12GB 512GB variant is introduced at $355. This price tag is still affordable for the feature set promised by the phone. For this $225, you will get a whole lot of a smartphone. That is, it comes with 120Hz QHD plus Dolby Vision enabled OLED display, a MediaTek 8200 chipset with 67 watts of charging. This makes it a killer flagship killer phone. On the top of it, there is a 12GB 512GB variant. This deal is only meant for China as the phone is not launched outside China, but you can buy it from GameStop. And this phone comes with a 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel rubbish camera. But for $225 for this processor and this screen, it is a killer phone. And the battery life is actually very good. It comes with 5500 mAh battery.